La wo landi se ten. La enezo dosunu no se wose. Oti ye munu enu die ni ye so that ya hia wa muge no nya o easy ni ye ko wa we ahia. We ike do park ye woni ro marita mi ye. Una wa violandi sere. Una wa violelegbe. Anybody know egi ye ho la wata mera gwa lo. Owe no bageri jo. Wakakaboge ese. Wala wo wakakaboge ese. La wafie video na Dr. Kelly.
Hi guys, this is your girl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment below. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first to be alerted. But guys, don't forget to share the video. I bring out what is happening on social media. I bring it here for us to watch. So guys, I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers, and for those that do support me, I want to say may the Lord Almighty bless you all for supporting me. I love you all. See you next on my next video. Bye bye.
La wo landi se ten. La enezo dosunu no se wose. Oti ye munu enu die ni ye so that ya hia wa muge no nya o easy ni ye ko wa we ahia. We ike do park ye woni ro marita mi ye. Una wa violandi sere. Una wa violelegbe. Anybody know egi ye ho la wata mera gwa lo. Owe no bageri jo. Wakakaboge ese. Wala wo wakakaboge ese. La wafie video na Dr. Kelly. Ore lania. A doctor one of Paris. Wagomefia. Ijore lovers. La wo. Okay. Mommy Jore lovers, are you online? Please call this video. Or suppose not go viral. That in a Facebook bani be mwela dia. You must say a Facebook review are must so 30,000, 40,000, 50. I'm man me we no dey no kimana na 60,000 view. A YouTuber mi o video. Cause the YouTuber don't have the quality. Domano sana okoma ni ye betimeye ke na onwe. Wakaboge se wala sister Oladisi no gwewe. Venu akpa ni uti o mani ye ro wo gwa de odovi yewe. Area yawe. Ade odovi yewe. Isi ahono gume tamae o de family we no. Do wijwe no tamae Oladisi no gwe no viore. Oga so be na be ya vione no be viore. Oga enwe ye selene ya mu de picture ye Facebook odo asa 500 euro kakigo no ya mu eke ya odo pay. Sister la wo uge so we gbe. La o Ladisi no gwe we viola dia. Wa ewo wijwe no kakaboge ese mama. Asa Paris oje e France oje. Wa kaboge anybody know any on e calli. Watamai wo Ladisi no gwe o. Mama too bege na worry. Amana wu emi o ma wi. O sa ti we mama.
O mi jere atogbe.
O sa ti we
La wa ti sente akatenika.
O ma ya sende we di account. Ko we se sa gwero.
So.
Na wow. Ha emiere be wujo ma wa.
Hello, tell me call, but odoye call. Maybe we are busy. It pa winsi or you ba with me. So calling me bono we need to agree. So it's only go privately. Or me a voice call enough message na sorry. Or do anything where we are dead less busy.
Mete to wo gwe o mi vision kan na.
Hello, J.
O sa ti we mama.
Iyo ko buta.
Ko J.
Iyo sorry, iye me about well, so till site where having everything was site.
Better side where on our side where God is your strength. Who claim me on my member? Call J. Na mo suke gwale no ba me ve Facebook. Mm. 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 Mm.
My people, hello, my people. I don't come again.
Mm. Mm.
Rejoice all Gist TV. My people, I
Mm.
come make I come analyze this video, this
Mm.
things where they rain for social media. We just they waka about Ebony or Basui matter. You understand? I just see come make I come sit talk for this matter because they and then tell her make she come and come apologize. Just like she they feel too big to come out to apologize for wetin she do. But at least other of her colleagues don come out come apologize say oh dem dey sorry for wetin really happen. She herself she suppose to come out make she come apologize to people, and the way wey dem tell her she no suppose to disobey. So my people, I go still dey pull this thing so that we go hear the matter small small. I go dey analyze am.
Me secretary nana. Mm. Mm. Okay. They not a gelo side. Angel. Mm. Mm. Mommy, damn yo. Mm. My mama, when we no soon, mama, we record give me. One. I want to madam or a mock bam with phone, me. Record there, me, I reply, we are finishing in the une. One. Call J on my Wesley. The Wesley. Hello, God bless you.
Hello.
Hello, God bless you.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning, sir. God bless you.
Welcome, ma. Happy New Year, ma.
Same to you.
Are you on live video, ma?
Yes.
Are you on live?
I'm on live
Ah,
video, sir.
okay. You are welcome, ma.
God bless
Ma,
you.
my name is Destiny, but I have something to tell you. That is the reason why I asked you if you are on live video.
Yes, I'm
Because
on
I
live
want to
video.
tell you.
Something like what?
No, ma, I need your help. That is why I called you.
Something like
It's not
what?
private. It's private issue. It's not just. It's for me and you, please. Don't be annoyed.
Okay.
Please, can you? When are you going to have chance so that I can call you privately?
But talk to me now. What do you want?
Wait, 1 minute, please. Hello?
Hello, what did you want?
Yeah, ma. My name is Destiny.
Okay.
So I'm from Edo State. But I live in Dubai.
Okay.
So I did not know how to get your number so that I can call you.
Okay.
I just search all your videos that you post on Facebook. I just keeping up searching and checking the comments. So I saw your number there, so I add the number on WhatsApp. So I tried to call you this night.
Okay. What did you want God to do
So,
for you?
ma, please, it has been long that I came to this country, so everything is not working fine, and I want to move from here to another country, but I'm looking for a connection. That is the reason why.
Me, I don't know any condition. Yes, I don't know you. The people that call me, I don't know them. Just like you now, I don't know you, and I don't stop people number. I don't have any connection. The only connection I have, if you need prayer, I can give it to you. Through Jesus Christ, your helper will locate you in the name of Jesus. Okay, because there is nothing God cannot do.
So the country that I wanted to go to is Germany or France.
I mean, I don't have
I
any
don't
connection,
know.
my brother. I cannot lie to
But
you.
I don't know. Yes, man, I know because I've been watching you online. Just if you are praying for people, I join
Mm.
big people.
So you have to be very, very careful and strong in prayer. God will send you a helper. Me, I don't have any connection. I don't even have. I can't lie to you. If I have, I will say, don't worry. I know one man. I don't know anybody that is carrying people to abroad. I don't know. Because in France, it's against the law. So if you know those people, you will delete their number. Because it's 15 years. Me, I don't want to go to jail at my old age. Very soon, I will complete 50 years. In 1 year's time, I will complete 50 years. So I don't want to go and suffer in jail at my age. Before I will come back, all the thing I have will be lost. Everybody will run away from me. Even you, I won't know you again. You are the first person that will cross and jump the fence. I will not know you. Even if I meet you, you will say, "Hey, I don't know you. I don't know you." So I don't want to go to jail at my early age. I'm not. I'm an old. I'm an old. I'm an old woman. So what I will do, God will send you someone that will help you. Okay? If you need a prayer, I can do it for you. Through Jesus Christ, you will find solution.
Okay, no problem, man.
Okay, God bless you, sir. Bye bye.
Welcome.
Eti je gba ma do jega eti iya wese saba ma game do saba go ni do aneru nugwa ni ari bude nugwa not lose hope do agogo nemo gogo bo gwa omo gogo do je gba ma in 1 year's time igba be 50 years igba be 50 years ano do je gba ma ya je ga get he will live video o enwa o ma he live life na de jami ami me pa no me ma dream me wan dream me ari ewebo udori me ya me mere ewebo I ma dream me okay oh English don't suffer which English make English suffer yeah English or suffer ana so na gbe enutie enutie mi je me ka o sa ti we what
Happy Sunday.
same to you
Mama, oh mama.
enutie
Okay, to boy.
come mi je me ko
Ye, call you ma.
iyo wa ma
Call you ma. Yeah, mama. Mama, do you?
ga emi ya wa ma
Usawesi. Now when you wait to you ma. And the way I tell you got it go.
mm
Okay. Oh mama.
oh sighting well we say o sighting well
Wale
bye
Okay,
bye
mama, where's it?
hello from Italy
You are talk about you.
he say oh what original they born on him
No, we married now that you know. I'm not here.
again in no engage na engage in Italy we now dre euro e boy na go very yego ta we no ya sunu we
The car, the car Sunday. I am in the 100 room. I'm waiting there. And then I'll see up. I know.
o ka friend there ya be tuto Mario we go
The car, it to say.
why are you the dre euro you wa ju nu no we nu re gie
Oh, I have to my way or bottom way. We get from that I did is Kimajida. What the body only 100 room, 100 room. To a rejoinder, never told you me why you.
oh my god sister me will tell me oh I want to ask picture like there ukpu we o wa fun ipe ya wa ri o igo wa me picture ga ni mu la ja o call mejo ah owo mo mi jo da tebe settle ene na wo kebe ya mo la ja na ke settle ko se de me ga tela no go ma pick we wa are line ni kole are line aro ni kole Cause nobody me story. I dey lie. I dey lie. No we adam your dog we no ta. My brother e to o.
Okay.
Brother we cover no we atemata.
I want to know.
Who we cover no we a? Wa cover no we wa men we mi go bukpo na. Gbise. We gbise jo. U ga cover no we u ga won me u mi go bukpo na. Gbise jo.
I want to meet my way.
What is it ge?
Let me you a couple you.
Wa on kakabo. Oguri 100 no magire do mi ewe. Hello, sister Meko.
Hello, Mama, me love you.
O sa tie me le WhatsApp le phone na re baba na. E bo pa ware lani. Ono tie le WhatsApp re. We are lani brother. Ona nene mi akana. Wa ari go ni ya wa je mere. Why we exist in wakado atama mene? What's a good manaka to tama we mommy jole go walk man it toast you. On no mego.
Mama, let you know.
They will not know when I.
You want to go, you.
You will not go when I on dry on every way. Ah?
Hello?
Hello.
Mama.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware